closer together.
We'll do another intro. Hey guys, today we are here with Ariana, my daughter, and we're going to open my bag of Gratis. So grab a snack, come on back, and join us in opening May 2025 Gratis. And we're gonna start with the first product. So what is the first product? I'm gonna close my eyes. Ooh, the Saint Tropez, the Self Tan. This is a spray for natural glowing skin. It's a bronzing water face mist. And so you spray it on your face, your neck, your décolleté, 3 to 5 sprays. No need to rub or blend. It can be used under, over, or instead of makeup. So thank you, Saint Tropez, for this. Okay, what's next? Next is, ooh, Hourglass, my favorite brand. This is the Hourglass concealer brush. It's funny, I've been waiting for this. I looked at it in store today and I was like, ooh, can't wait to get that in Gratis. It's retails at $40, and if you want to see the tip of that brush, it looks like that. I love Hourglass brushes, great quality, craftsmanship, one of a kind. I'm excited to use that. Oh, what is this? Okay, Urban Decay. It's the eye pencil in beige flag. So super cool. I love Urban Decay eyeliners. They're waterproof. They stay on really well. And I actually have their sharpener. It's really important to use a really good sharpener when using these pencils because they are not wood. They're like a plastic composite. So it's important to use a super sharp sharpener. The one thing I look for when picking a sharpener is if it's made in Germany, because German steel is sharp. So you don't want to waste that product while trying to sharpen it. What's next? The Glossier perfume. This is the new one, Floor. It's the purple one. So let's open this up. It's a travel. And I love that little like ergonomic indentation. What do you think?
Yeah.
Smells good?
Yeah.
I think it smells really good. All right, what's next? Ooh, this is the Biodance. It's the facial sheet mask, the glass skin sheet mask. This is made in Korea. It does help with hydration, elasticity, tightening your pores, and just overall healthy, glowing skin. So can't wait to try that. Next is, ooh, the Hourglass in cotton. I have this in fawn. I've talked about it before. It's my go-to concealer, but now we have it in a lighter shade, so I could highlight with this and contour with my contour stick. Perfect. What's this one? The Way Thickening Spray. Okay, this is a new product by Way. I have not tried this one, so I am excited to try it. Let's see. It says to spray on clean wet hair from roots to ends, comb through, air dry, or style with heat for best results. So if you have fine hair, if you have, if you've shed hair, this is a great product to kind of build those strands back up and make your hair look more full. So what's next? It's such a good helper. I love doing this with you. Okay, this is the Charlotte Tilbury. I've tried this in store. It's a new product by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the nude gloss, but it does have shimmer in it. So I don't know if you could see it, but there is shimmer in there. Pairs well with her duo lip pencils that she came out with. If I might have some footage and I'll throw it up there for you guys. It's a lip pencil with 2 ends. So we have a darker shade, a lighter shade. One you line with, one you fill, and then you top it off with this gloss. This does have a plumping effect, so it is like tingly, but it's a really nice product. Super shiny, plump. What kind of lips?
Duck lips.
Duck lips, yeah. Go ahead. What's the next one?
Stand up.
Yeah, you can stand up. Oh, Skin Fix, my favorite brand. Clean brand. This one is a gel moisturizer, perfect for summer. Non-comedogenic, great for sensitive skin. I do use their cleanser right now and I love it. It's the Ectoin Ceramide Cleanser. And I did get that one in Gratis. It's a small one and I'm actually running out, but it's been working great. So I'm definitely gonna purchase it. And I can't wait to try this one.
2 more.
All right, Ilia Skin Tint. This is, I don't want to say an OG, but it's been very popular, especially in the summertime, especially for people who are, you know, pressed for time, getting ready in the morning. You have a 3-in-1. So you have your skincare in here, your makeup, and your SPF. And it's a serum-like texture, so it's perfect. Not too thick, not too heavy for those people who don't like that makeup feeling. And it is a clean brand as well. No harmful chemicals, fragrances, dyes, none of that stuff.
Last one.
Ooh, the Kerastase Blaze Drops. Amazing. I love Kerastase. This line smells really good. More glossy, shiny, healthier. And this oil is comparable to, I want to say, the Oribe hair oil, which is what I have and I love it. It's great as like a finishing product after you've styled your hair, you've blow dried or curled it or straightened it. This really helps to create more shine, and it's a light hair oil. You're going to see it's not going to make your hair look heavy or greasy or any of that. And you just focus it more on the ends. Great product. Can't wait to use this. And I think that's it. That was everything we had today, right? In our bag. All right. So thank you for your help. Such a good helper I have. And thank you guys for watching. Like this video, please. And let me know in the comments below which of these you want me to try and update you guys on, right? Give you a little review. And you are stretching because you love gymnastics and you have gymnastics today. So we're gonna go do that. And you guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.